for the Escort, Thailand, part 40 something, take 3. So yeah, it's the third time I've had to record this now because people keep turning up and trying to sell me pieces of crap, because I made the mistake of selling some piece of crap for someone the other day, and now everyone in the village is coming around trying to get money. But anyway, I've not done anything to this for 2 days apart from let it get rusty, because we've had a lawyer up from Bangkok. I probably can't even go into why, but basically someone's taken the piddle out of me and a bank, and now they've been caught out. More of that later. But while I was out driving lawyers around, going to various places and police stations, not the best place to spend your birthday, I did manage to buy this as well. I mean, no one else is going to buy me anything for my birthday, are they? So here we have a CR250 Honda, the year of which I'm not entirely sure, because I've been googling it up like crazy, and according to that 4-brake front disc, it's pre-93, I think. But according to that power valve on the other side, it's 96. And then I was trying to get red plastics for it, because those of you that know about Hondas know they should be bloody red. But you don't exactly get a lot of choice in this country, so I've got a yellow one. I've been scratching my head on the internet because I can't find any red plastics that look the same as that. Or that. Front mudguard's not a problem. But then I came along with the idea of taking the plastics off just to see what was written on the inside, and guess what? 1996 RM Suzuki. So there you go. Both the brake discs are beyond shagged. So where are you going to get some 90s something Honda motocross parts in Thailand? Well, you're not. You're going to have to sit there on the internet looking for Chinese sellers that put the sizes of their discs on their listings, as well as obscure models. And would you believe it, I have just sourced 2 brand new discs, and they're on their way from China right now, that fit an AX11 Honda. Now that's an ugly looking piece of crap. Thankfully we never ever got it in the UK, but it's like a dual sport type bike with alloy wheels. Oh, it's a shocker. But anyway, like I've just said, I've got 2 brand new discs coming for less than 30 quid. And there's no import duty and free post on anything we buy from China. So that is a laugh. Next up, we're going to get some red plastics and some graphics for it. So I'll do a little series on this one next, if you're interested in my ramblings and fiddlings and things like that. And hopefully tomorrow I should be able to get back to normal and get on with the Escort. I managed to buy some nice material with the headlining and the interior. In fact, I might even do a plot spoiler on that. Where is it? Let's do a plot spoiler. See if we can see what I bought. Here it is. 1, 2. So we have got some, not very good in the orange sunlight, is it? Cream headlining, which is very good material actually. Looks very headlining-y. And I'm going to do the interior in brown. Shock horror. Well, as they say in Thailand, up to me. So yeah, we're going to have a brown. It's not all going to be in that. That's just going to be the inserts. Door panels and all that lot will be plain. But that's what we're going to be doing as soon as we finish the painting. So I'll leave it there, I think, because it's beer o'clock. Later then.